Thought I'd revisit my first actual saw I bought when I started climbing. And at the time, oh geez, I was angry that day. At the time, the 2511 wasn't really super popular yet. So there was a saw shop actually in Iowa that was trying to get rid of them because they're small and nobody wanted them. Did the quarter chain conversion, which honestly I think if I was going to do it over again, speed cut nano is just more durable, and if for no other reason, this chain is really fiddly to get a resharpen on. But I kept it stock for quite a while, and that was good. And with the 3/8 Low Pro, they're chattery, but you could take a lot of that out with how you sharpened it. But also did a muffler mod, retuned it, and thought, yeah, I did pretty good. I didn't. I've learned quite a bit since then. Really all I did was make me think it was better. It would get sluggish to start periodically, and I just thought, well, maybe it's my fuel, maybe it's the temperature. And it's like, I didn't tune this thing right. But that there precision saw service got a lot of notoriety with their 194T muffler recently, and I thought, oh, awesome. Looked online quick, and not a bad price. I mean, you could get the West Coast saw one, but I thought, let's try this guy. And he is nice enough to come with a screen pre-installed for the people that, you know, you're still going to be worrying about that. I'm not. Very nice machining work. I was actually curious how the two-piece was going to seal, and he has a very large lip that I doubt there'll be any problems. I did CNC machine work for 5 years, and I really like what he's done with this. I mean, even the details with his chamfers. Basically, I think this is the only surface that didn't get machined. So for the price, he's got some machine time on his mill on this. Really happy with what he's offering. I will probably like his product. I mean, I liked it enough to want to try it. I really do enjoy Echo. I like carburetors. I like a high-low adjustment. I don't hate steel, but the steels I've gotten, they work amazing until something's not right. They like I have a 201 here. It just gives me an attitude every now and then. And you check the intake boot. Okay, that might be an issue. You replace the fuel solenoid. Works great for a while. Gives you a hiccup. You know, you got to be able to trust this stuff. And once it gives me a hiccup, it's like, well, I'll grab a 355 because I know that's going to work. The only actual failures with Echo I've had are broken pull rope, and yeah, we don't let them get dirty, but You know, we should change some plugs and do some other things. I've got to clean this one up, but basically end up about there. Exhaust port looks like it should all get the same alignment. I think I'll throw this together, put a tune on it, and kind of get a report. Alright, so put on the 2511t muffler from Precision Saw Service. Trimmed a little, maybe I didn't need to, right around the plastic here, but really happy with the slim profile. It's even a weight savings over this. That was my solution back when I decided I needed it to be louder to be better. Not that good. But put a retune on it, pretty happy with it for now. We'll retune it in season. I want to like this saw more. Definitely not a removal saw at this point, but it's a good saw, and I want to climb with it more often just because I really do like it. I like the weight. There's a lot of things going for it, but yeah, anytime you have this bar in bigger than 6-inch, you're sitting there wondering, you know, am I getting stuck? Is it working the way it's supposed to? They really do cut better out at the tip on small branches, but I want to use this saw more, and this makes me happier already.